Hey YouTube, this is my first unboxing video, and today I'll be unboxing the Rough Country 2.2 Shock Decal. Now I'm not sponsored, but I am doing this for a promotional video so I can get a promotion and a gift card from them at some point. Now this is a one color scheme with a black base and a red outline. It measures 8 inches wide by 11 inches long. Now it's $1.95 plus shipping and handling online. So that's where I got it from the Rough Country website. So here we go. And here it is in the box. Now it's nicely packaged in there with this good paper to hold it because it's a very fragile sticker. I'm just kidding, it's not fragile. So here we go. So this is the sticker right here. And it features a die-cut design. It's prefabricated with a removable backing for easy installation. It is high-quality, military-grade color. It is a durable adhesive to withstand any type of off-roading. Now you could install this onto your shock if it didn't come with it, or if you want to give it that extra rough country. Or you could put it on your car, or your bicycle, or anything you wanted. You could just stick it wherever you want if you're a sticker fiend. It's a very good design, very clean, no imperfections in the sticker, it has this middle seam. Honestly, I can't wait to put it on my vehicle. And that's that.